Hello Pasangla, today's question of the day is basically how acquired traits are not inherited. Now there are so many traits that you will acquire in your lifetime, no? For example, ear piercings that you get, the kind of scars that you get when you fall down, okay? Or even in plants, the kind of injuries that they undergo, or some kind of adaptations that they develop over time that does not really pass on to the next generation. In the sense, if you have somebody who works out in the gym and has amazing muscles and all that, doesn't mean that their next generation will automatically acquire those kind of built physique and built muscles. Now, why that happens is particularly because these are developed through the course of our lives. Okay, now they cannot be sent to the next generation because they happen in the non-reproductive tissues. Only those changes that happen in our meiotic cells, in the gametes, is what actually will be transferred. So any random things that we acquire in the lifetime does not necessarily pass on to the next generation. Now this is not just a very important general knowledge question to know, but also something that they will ask you in your board exams. So I hope you are clear with it. So do subscribe our channel if you still have not, because starting from now we are going to be there to support your board exam. And also our offline crash course for the NEET exam is going to start on March 27th. 30 days of full focus and full practice, and this is just for 10,000 rupees. Okay, so definitely do visit our Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Trichy centers and get your admissions, everybody. And also the online crash course you can now get at just 10% off using the code XPL10. Okay, so you can just get it for 4,275 rupees. Most affordable, yet you will be able to prepare for your NEET 2026 in no time. So there are a lot of students who have been benefited from this. Okay, and you can even take a 7 days free offline NEET coaching at our centers. So definitely do call up this number to get all the information and start preparing today. All the very best.